Just to clarify, this is not the first mystery box. It is, in fact, the first mystery box. I've waited for this a long time. Just a little over a week, you know, that's a long time for me. But nonetheless, this box contains one item that I've always wanted. One item that is the price of this entire box. And that item is... What up, crew? Welcome back to my channel. And if you're here for the first time, make sure to subscribe. I just love doing cheesy puns. Probably because I like cheese. So as you know, Chris Ramsay has this awesome brand setup called First. It originally started with just his playing cards and then expanded into everything that he has now. That's how you build a brand right there. And by the way, just to make one thing clear, this video is not sponsored, as much as I'd like it to be sponsored. Chris, if you're watching this, sponsor me. All right, enough talk. Let's unbox the first mystery box. So in case you didn't get the full view of the box, check it out right over there. As you could see on the bottom right hand corner, I would think, is a question mark with like a whole thing on it. We also have Chris Ramsay saying something in a foreign language, not English. And right on top, it says First Mystery Box. The rest of the box itself is pretty empty aside from where you open it, but my God, I am so excited for this. And just to quickly level set right here, this box only cost $120. And I've heard there's a lot of swag in here, a lot of cool everything else, so let's do this. Yeah, I know, you didn't actually see what was in the box when I did my opening, but I want you and I to kind of go through these items one at a time and see if this box was actually worth it. Which, opening it up, I feel like it already is. So first things first, right on top, we got First Socks. Check it out. Bam. First Socks. Let's open this up. Ugh. There we go. First Socks. I've never worn socks first before, so this is gonna be my first time. I'm so sorry. I will never make this first joke again until, well, for the rest of this video. Let's just say for the rest of this video. But these First Socks are very nice. They are a bit on the longer side, so maybe not the best for the summer months, but you can 100% guarantee I'll be wearing these. I'm curious, how much are these socks worth on the website? They are $15. So as of right now, we've recouped $15. Up next, we have the First sliders. I'm gonna take them right out of the thing right here. Okay, a little less satisfying than I expected, but that's okay. Boom, these First sliders. I'm really hoping they fit because they only had like, what was the sizes they had? They had like less than 10.5 or like over 11.5 to like 12 or something like that. But all I know is I'm a pretty small guy, so I selected less than 10.5. Hoping these fit. Maybe we'll try them on later and we'll see what happens. And depending on how well they fit, I'll probably be wearing these like all the time. So to do a price check to see how much these are actually worth, if it was all worth it, these are $35. So as of right now, we've recouped $50 already. Amazing. Okay, so up next, I'll move this box a little bit over more. We have these swim trunks. I believe these are swim trunks. Take them out of the bag. I love opening stuff up. Let me just do this quietly, ASMR style. So these are the First swim trunks. They look pretty comfortable. Maybe I should wear this right now. Put it aside just for the time being. On the website, these First swim trunks cost $45. So as of right now, we got 15 plus 35 plus 45. That's a total of $95, and there's still plenty of items left in this box. I'm telling you, the more I unpack, the more excited I get. Let me just, boom. Up next, we have this First card porn t-shirt. I've got to say, I don't know if I've ever worn anything that says porn on it. I don't think people would be happy with that. But let's check this out. Let's take it out of the bag. Again, ASMR style. There we have it. Check it out. Here we go. We have Sir Card Porn on the t-shirt. I don't think that's his actual name, but that's what I'm going to call him from now on. And oh, he's actually using the First playing cards. Check that out. I don't know how well you could see that, but check that out. He's actually using the First playing cards, all done in black and white, charcoal gray. Oh, it even has like the First colo tag on the bottom. That's actually a very nice touch. I love it. I'm gonna start doing these on like my t-shirts whenever that happens. So this t-shirt goes for $35. Guys, there is still stuff left in here, and we've already made it to $135. I can already say the box was worth it. All right, let's see what's next. Oh man, this is a big ticket item right here. This is a big ticket item. So I believe this is the first hollow Coach jacket. Let's check it out. Oh my god. I have a mess everywhere on the floor, but I don't even care. Check that out. Boom. Okay, the box fell. But here we got that first hollow Coach jacket. As you can see, it has that hollow tag right there. I don't think it's not an actual hollow tag, but you know, it's a tag that's hollow. And check out the back. Bam. First. I gotta say, I wish it was cold so I would wear this. God damn it. But check this out. This jacket itself goes for $145. We've already passed 200 and what's if my math is right, we've made it to like $270, $280 worth of value in a $120 mystery box. And there's still stuff in there. I mean, come on, check that out. That is freaking awesome. I want to wear this so bad. Next, we got a couple of small knickknacks right here. We have a first, I would think this is from the first V3 deck. We have a sticker right over here. A keychain from the V4 deck, similar to the hat that I'm wearing. And we have this thing. I forgot what this is called, like an embroidery thing, but check it out. Boom, you got that. If you want to stitch that onto a t-shirt or any clothing, I am first man. And all of these things are, let's say, at least $5. I think this is like $7, this is like $4.50, this is $5. So let's just say this is at least like $15, $16 worth of value right here. So we're literally approaching $300 worth of value, which is insane. And last but not least, the one thing I have wanted for the longest time, but I've just never paid for. The first V1 playing cards. I'm gonna be honest with you, the main reason, you know what? The only reason I got this mystery box was just so I can have this deck and I wouldn't have to pay an absurd price on like eBay or something, but my god, it is beautiful. This will stay as part of my collection forever. I gotta say, I am quite satisfied with all the stuff the box came with. Definitely well worth the value. Especially because I would have literally paid that much online for the first V1 edition playing cards. So, thanks so much for watching. Oh, you wanted me to wear this stuff? I mean, okay. Swag.